You are watching the Muff Academy, the Muff Academy, the Muff Academy.
30 days, 30 topics.
Hello everyone. Packing efficiency from solid state is one of the most important topic which is repeated continuously every year in your PU examination. Packing efficiency is nothing but the ratio of volume of space occupied by the sphere by the total volume of the cubic lattice. So at first we have simple cube. In a simple cubic lattice, the atoms are located only on the corners, and therefore the edge length of the cube is considered as A. The edge length of the cube is considered as A, and the radius of the sphere is considered as R. Now we know that the volume of cube is equal to A cube, and the volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now the relation between the edge length and radius of the cube sphere is given as A is equal to 2R. The edge length A is equal to 2R. R plus R, that is 2R. In a simple cube, the number of particles is 1. Therefore, the packing efficiency is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by, we know that A is equal to 2R, therefore A cube is equal to 8R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by 8R cube into 100. Solving this, we get 52.4%. Next, we have FCC. Face-centered cube, face-centered cube, hexagonal close packing, and cubic close packing have almost same efficiency. Therefore, even in FCC, the edge length is considered as A. And to find the relation between the edge length of the cube and radius of the sphere, we need to work on with Pythagoras theorem. So we will consider triangle ADC, DC or ACD. Therefore, AC square is equal to A square plus A square. We get it as AC square is equal to 2A square. Therefore, AC is equal to root 2A. The value of AC is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4R is equal to root 2 into A. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 4R by root 2. So as we know, the volume of cube is given as A cube, volume of sphere is as 4 by 3 pi R cube, and the number of particles in FCC is 4. Therefore, A cube is equal to 64 R cube by 2 root 2. Now coming to packing efficiency, number of particles is 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by 64 R cube by 2 root 2 into 100. So simplifying it, we get the answer as 74%. Up next we have the last one, that is body-centered cube. So in body-centered cube, it is clear that the atom at the center will be in touch with other atoms diagonally arranged. So what happens here is, we need to get two Pythagoras theorem. So like it is, the first one is triangle EFD. So by triangle EFD, we get the value of B. B is equal to 2A square. b square is equal to 2a square, and then b is equal to root 2a. Now finally, in triangle AFD, it is considered as c square is equal to a square plus b square, a square plus b square. So we a square is equal to a square, b square is 2a square. So therefore, what we get as c square is equal to 3a square, which is equal to root 3a. Now the relation between the edge length of the cube and radius of the sphere will be as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the radius is equal to 4r is equal to root 3a. Then the value of a is equal to 4r by root 3. So finally, we got the value of a, that is a is equal to 4r by root 3. Now as we know, the volume of cube is a cube. We know the value of a is equal to, we get it as 64 r cube by root 3. So we get it as 3 root 3. Volume of sphere, we get it as 4 by 3 by r cube. Number of particles in BC says 2, body centered cube. So okay, so now coming to what is finally calculating the packing efficiency. The number of particles are 2 into volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of cube, that is given as 64 r cube by 3 root 3 into 100. So we get the final answer as 68%. So try to remember the value of all the efficiencies, which will save time in your examination.